opinion. How we feeling?
Actually, better than when I woke up.
Feeling pretty solid?
Pretty
ready for this?
Pretty solid.
Alright. These very nice people behind us have shown us the way to go. We are walking right along with no more turns. Trail's getting a little thick. We just passed a couple who said they got halfway and decided to turn around, but hopefully that's not going to be us. We're still trucking it. We also have an interesting dynamic coming in. We got some rain moving into the area, starting to sprinkle on us, but we got this. So it started raining a little harder while Reyes went out, put his rain jacket on. But we're still trucking it. It's pretty cool. A little kissing tree. Too bad I'm not in the Navy like Reyes.
Join the Marines will still work.
No, he would want me to kiss him. Well, we've got some concerns about that cloud cover on the top, but we're still gonna keep trucking. Hopefully it'll clear up. You guys see that rainbow over there? Here we go. And he never goes to me. The weather was clear today. It's always gonna be rainy. You're going to come up this trail behind me. You want to take a left when you get to the top and get on this left trail. Do not go straight. Do not go straight. There's a little pole right here. There it is. The end. Overlord watch there. He's been faithful to keep an eye on us today. Made about 3 rescues this morning. Thankfully, we were not one of them. They made 3 more.